Hi, in front of me is UMIDIGI A3S, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply lightning edges on this device. Firstly, open Play Store and type edges. Then download this app from this developer. Now open it. And click on one of these themes, for example that one. Name it, click OK Creative, and close an ad. Over here you can customize your edges however you want to. For example, you can change run style, add pattern, change animation speed, border size, and adjust it to the notch. When you're done but you want to leave your current wallpaper, click on Photos or any other sources and pick a photo. Then adjust it and click at the top right corner. Choose Create and tap on the theme that you created. Choose Enable Wallpaper. Click Set Wallpaper at the top right corner and decide if you want it to be on home screen or home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of the options. Now when I go back, I can see that my edges were successfully applied. But if you want to see them when you use apps, you can easily go back into the app, choose Home, scroll all the way down and tap on the switcher next to Enable Overlay Other App. Then click Yes, tap on the switcher next to Allow, and go back. Sometimes you have to go back into the app, so I will do that right now. Select Home again, scroll down and tap on the same switcher one more time. As you can see, now I can see my edges when I use apps. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!